SmartCash is faster than Dash, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Hi guys, I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why SmartCash is smarter than Bitcoin, Dash, and many other cryptocurrencies. And the issue that I'm focusing on today is transaction time. So unlike Bitcoin, SmartCash has a confirmation time on average of around 55 seconds to 1 minute, making it super fast and totally usable in the real world. Now, some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, their confirmation times are an hour or sometimes even longer, plus they have those really high transaction fees, which doesn't exactly put them in good standing for things like merchant acceptance or user-friendly experiences. But the good news is with SmartCash, that's a different story. I really believe that things like confirmation times and transaction fees are really important factors in making a viable cryptocurrency that can achieve mass adoption in the future. And with SmartCash, I love that I can send Smart to anyone, anywhere in the world, and they're only going to take 1 minute to receive that. When InstantPay comes in a couple of months' time, SmartCash transactions are going to be even faster, and that's going to be an amazing thing for merchants. But even without InstantPay at the moment, SmartCash is still super fast and super cheap compared to other cryptocurrencies. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to send a transaction. So I'm going to send some Smart from my web wallet to my SmartCash desktop wallet. So I'm getting logged into my SmartCash web wallet. I go to the Send tab and then I paste in that desktop wallet address, and I'm going to send 9 Smart. Now you can see that the transaction fee sending from the web wallet is super cheap. It's 0.002 Smart, so that's much better than if I was going to try and send myself some Bitcoin. So when I hit send on the web wallet to send that 9 Smart, you can see immediately I get a notification from my desktop wallet saying that I've received 9 Smart, and then it will sit there in pending for 1 minute until it confirms through. So there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the SmartCash confirmation times and transaction fees, and let me know as well if you are excited for InstantPay. I will definitely make another video about that a little bit later down the line. For now, if you're not too familiar with SmartCash and you haven't got yourself a wallet yet, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for another video that you can check out on that. And if you're not too familiar with SmartCash, it's a cryptocurrency that I would definitely recommend you looking into. It has a lot of great features, including a decentralized voting system where you can suggest your own ideas for the future of the coin, and everybody has the opportunity to vote. All for this week's video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.